wabarakatuh. Hello guys, how are you today? Welcome to my presentation. Today I will present my article. The title is The Effect of Story Mapping in Reading Ability. Okay, one of the important skill is used by students to comprehend the text and to develop students' knowledge is reading skill, because reading can help students to enrich their vocabulary. Reading can help students to support their writing production, and then reading can help students to analyze what the text means, and the last, reading can help students to get information from the text. In here, I use story mapping strategy. The meaning of story mapping strategy. Story mapping strategy is a strategy that used to help the new reader focus on the important ideas in narrative text. Besides that, the meaning of story mapping is strategy that used to introduce the basic structure, essential the element of story. Okay, in here I will introduce how to use the procedure, how teaching story mapping, how teaching reading ability used by story mapping strategy according IDOL 1987 in Say Sky. There are three phases. The first is model phase, lead phase, and test phase. Model phase, there are 5 steps. The first step is the teacher read aloud the story independent. The teacher read the story, and then the second, the teacher stop reading when one of the important case like character, plot, setting, another. And then the third step is in model phase is the students analyze the key element of story, and then the number 4, students complete the map, and the last, the teacher write the information on the map. And the second phase is lead phase. Lead phase, there are 3 steps. The first step is the students read the story independently, and then the second, the students complete the map with the teacher assistant if needed, and the last step is the teacher and the student analyze the complete map, adding missing information. So the last phase is test phase. Test phase, there are 3 steps. The first is the students read the story independently, and then the second, the students complete the map independently, and then the last, the teacher asks some question. The first question is who were the character, and then the second is where did the character take place, and where did the story take place, and the last question is what did the problem of story. So the conclusion is reading is one of the common ways to get the information and knowledge. By reading, people will get the ideas that they want and will be able to use them in accordance with their need and reading. We can have much useful knowledge as can understand the structure of the sentence form. It means the reading was good for us. Reading was one of part of 4 English skills such as speaking, listening, writing, and reading, but must be learned by students. Okay, thank you. See you, goodbye.